Alright guys, 2007 Toyota 4Runner, how to change a cabin filter. Alright, we're gonna get inside this car. The cabin filter is right there inside that glove box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this glove box first. Alright, on the glove box you're gonna squeeze on the sides. Alright, there's two tabs on each side. You'll see one on this side and there's one on the opposite side. Alright, and there's also a little plunger on that side. Just pay attention to that plunger. Make sure you put that plunger back in. All right, and after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift this. You're gonna lift this glove box out of these two little tabs here and two tabs over there. After that, you're gonna see a tray like the one we're about to open up right here, and you're also gonna see an arrow sign that says up. You're gonna follow that arrow sign to put the new cabin filter in. All right, so this is the cabin filter right here. Look how filthy this is. Make sure you change your cabin filter every 10,000 miles. If it looks dirty or not, still change it, because over time there's a lot of builds up in there and that's what you're breathing in. And the part number on this cabin filter is 3962. That's the part number. All right, and there's other part number, OEM part number. So this is the cabin filter we're gonna put in. You could do this by yourself. Every 10,000 miles you change it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cabin filter. This cabin filter is gonna go in just like that, and then there's little slots. You're gonna see like the one right here, and this filter is gonna grab onto that. So all you do is you push it down behind under those little tabs. Once you have it nice and neat, just take that cabin filter tray, push it right back in. It should click both sides. And then you're gonna take this glove box and you're gonna put the little two tabs on each side in, line it properly. It's not in the side, and you push down on it just like that. Make sure the plunger on this side is attached. Just like a little clip where it goes onto. And then you just put the glove box in and you're done. So that's how you change a cabin filter on a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. Every 10,000 miles you can do that, and it's right behind the glove box.